Yes, we're still up here. You look so cutie. Let's go see. The lady was like, oh my gosh, we've sold out of so many this morning. Literally Nancy Drew. Crazy. So now we're gonna go get our lunch, our brunch lunch at the bagel shop, and then we'll talk to you there. Okay, so we went and got our 3 iced coffees, and then we also got these hot chocolate bombs from the little shop, which is so cute. And then we have our bagels right there, which we got. They're like these pesto, egg, avocado. They're so good. So we're gonna set this up and then eat our lunch together. Okay, this is like a total throwback to summer because we get this all the time, but we just got our bagel sandwiches, iced coffee, bagel sandwiches. Iced coffee. This is like the yummiest thing ever, so we're gonna eat this. Okay, hello everyone and happy Friday. It is Vlogmas day 18. We are still up at our lake house. If you watched my video yesterday, we just came up here for the night. We made some Christmas cookies yesterday and we had a really cozy and festive evening. And so it is now the next day. This morning, we just went and got some bagels for brunch, had some iced coffee. It was so much fun. And now I actually wanted to show you a fun package that was just sent to the house. So I wanna thank Daily Harvest for sponsoring today's video. If you have been following me, I worked with them back in quarantine and then again when I was at school in the fall. Daily Harvest is one of my favorite brands and I am so excited to receive another one of their boxes. If you don't know what Daily Harvest is, basically it is a website where you can go on and you can pick really healthy foods to be sent directly to your doorstep. All of the food is very clean and plant-based and they are perfect for anyone's diet. So whether you're gluten-free, keto, vegan, whatever the case is, they have something for everyone and they have so many different options and I love going onto the website and choosing all the different items to include in my box because you get an opportunity to try things that you normally would not. And all of the items are packed with superfoods, which is great because you are, again, putting really healthy things in your body and things that you probably would not try. It's also great for right now because you can just get it directly to your doorstep so you don't have to go out and get these things. So I actually have a coupon code for my followers. If you use my code EmilyO, you receive $25 off your first box, which is really exciting. So it'll give you guys the opportunity to try out some of these amazing and delicious foods. They have smoothies, they have oat bowls, chia bowls, flatbreads, anything that you can think of. And again, it's really great going into the new year. I know everyone is always trying to set new health goals and maybe exercise a little bit more or just even make sure that you're filling your body with good fruits and vegetables. And so Daily Harvest is a great thing to keep on your radar for this new year and for just living a healthy and really convenient lifestyle. So I thought it'd be really fun to set you guys up and I will show you everything that is included in my Daily Harvest box. So this is what the box looks like. So it's just a big white box and it's so cute on the outside. It's decorated so nicely. I love their aesthetic. It just says Daily Harvest and then everything is included inside. So as you can see, you just open up the box and then everything is included and everything is packed really nicely and they make sure that this is going to last by the time they send it out and it arrives at your house, which is great. So you don't have to worry about anything like that and then you can just stick it right in your freezer or refrigerator. The first thing I picked out was a cold brew and almond smoothie and you guys know how much I love cold brew and so I thought that this sounded really interesting and they always include all of the ingredients to whatever you're eating on the back so you know exactly what is going into either the smoothie or whatever you're eating. So this one has banana, almond, coffee, cacao, coconut, and green coffee. And again, stuff like green coffee I would never usually try or even know what that is. The other great thing and probably why the smoothies are my favorite is because you just pour this into your blender and then you can pour it back into this cup and it has a little holder for or a little spot for your straw and so it's great for on the go and if you even just want to cut down on cleaning up or if you don't want to use the glass, anything like that, this is super great. So this is the first thing that was included and then I think I got a couple smoothies that I chose. I got a mango and papaya smoothie which sounds delicious. It just has mango, pineapple, I don't even know how to say that, papaya and macadamia, which is so yummy, so I'm excited to try that. The next thing I picked out was a chocolate and almond chia bowl, and I have not tried these yet before. I think you leave these overnight, and these are perfect for breakfasts. You could just leave it in the refrigerator and it's ready to go. So very excited to try this. Next, I picked out another one of their harvest bowls because these are one of my favorites. Honestly, they're so delicious. So this is a broccoli one, and as you can see, it just has a bunch of different vegetables in it. And also something to note, Daily Harvest puts all of the directions on how to properly prepare this on the back as well. So it lets you know to put this on the stove top, how long this needs to cook, and all of the different steps. So they tell you exactly what to do, and all of their packaging is biodegradable as well. So it's super sustainable. And then I also picked out a ginger and turmeric latte, which is gonna be delicious, so warm and wintry, and I love their lattes. I remember I got this in a previous box and it was delicious. So again, all of your ingredients are right on the back. And then the last thing I chose was a strawberry and peach smoothie, which sounds delicious as well. I did get a couple smoothies because these, after 3 boxes, the smoothies are my favorite, is what I've decided, because smoothies for me are really difficult to make. I just feel like you always have to get a bunch of ingredients and it takes a long time, and it can sometimes, you know, mess up your entire kitchen. So that is why I love taking advantage of the Daily Harvest smoothies. They also have flatbreads, which I tried when I was at school because they were really easy dinners. But since I'm home with my family, I wanted to make sure that I was picking really easy snacks and kind of things to eat after a workout, or healthy breakfasts to start your day off well. So I always kind of change what I'm getting depending on where I am and what time of year it is, which is another great thing about Daily Harvest. So again, if you want $25 off your first Daily Harvest box, then use my code EmilyO. I always love sharing Daily Harvest. It's a brand that I love working with, and I'm so happy that they reached out once again. And approaching the new year and even going into the holidays, it's still super important to make sure that we are treating our body right and eating healthy foods. So thank you so much for listening to this, and everything will be in the description box if you would like to check Daily Harvest out. So we have just gotten home and we're going to this new boutique right now, which just opened. Elizabeth actually found it when she was like driving around one day with Max. It's called the Print Shop. So we're gonna go and see what this is all about. And then right next door is like one of our favorite coffee shops. So then we're gonna grab a little coffee, obviously. Hello everyone. So it has been a little later. Today has kind of been all over the place, but we had a really lovely day. We were up at my lake house for the first half of it, and then we drove home, and I think the last time I left off was we went to a little boutique and then our coffee shop, and then we came home. So tomorrow I'm actually having my third and final pop-up shop for my Busy Brunching merchandise. This is going to be held, it's going to be on the east side of Cleveland, so if you live in the area. So we will be having it at Kilgore Trout, which is a men and women's store, and I'm so excited. It's from 10 o'clock till 2. It is at the Eden Shopping Center, and it's on Chagrin Boulevard, so it's in Woodmere. So if you guys live in the area, it would mean so much to me if you came, and I know that I'm posting this the day before, but again, we're going to be there from 10 to 2. I've had 2 other pop-up shops. I had one at Miami University, and then I had one at a local boutique here also in Cleveland almost 2 weeks ago. So I'm so excited for tomorrow. It's going to be so much fun, and it's going to be our last Busy Brunching pop-up shop, which is kind of, I don't know, it's like bittersweet. I didn't even think I was gonna do 1, let alone 3, so the fact that we're here is wild, and I'm so looking forward to tomorrow. It's always such a fun time. Like, the people that I've been able to meet through these events is crazy, and then also just like the support of my family and friends is amazing as well. So I'm very excited. So basically my mom and I had to load up the car with everything that we need to bring for tomorrow, and then I've had some serious technical difficulties, you guys. Yesterday I was trying to edit my vlog and my computer is just like not working. So I used Final Cut Pro to edit all of my videos. I have for a really long time, and it would not let me open it, and then like literally everything on my computer just started shutting down. What I think is the issue is that I have way too much storage, like it's a storage problem. So my computer was actually like shutting down and not working. So I had to edit yesterday's vlog on Elizabeth's computer, but she only has iMovie obviously. So it was like kind of a panic for that. And then today my dad was like on the phone with Claire trying to fix my computer again and still couldn't do it. So now I'm editing on my mom's computer, which is still on iMovie. So I don't really know what's going on. We're gonna give the computer to Claire tomorrow because she's really good at this, because she's gonna be at the pop-up shop. So hopefully we can get that figured out. But that's why I haven't had my intro and my outro for these videos. But minor hiccup, no problem. We're gonna have to figure that out. If not, I'm gonna take it to like the Apple store or maybe like Best Buy or like the Genius Bar and try and see if someone who is a lot more technologically advanced can figure it out for me. So anyway, that's been going on. What else is happening? Elizabeth is out with Max tonight. I think they went and did like another little Christmassy date, which is fun. And I still need to clean my room and unpack from the night and put everything away. And then I think I'm gonna shower and put my pajamas on, probably write in my journal, do my skincare, and try and get to bed early because I have a big day for tomorrow. And I hope you have all still been enjoying the vlogs. I can't believe how close Christmas is. It's crazy how December has flown by so fast. I feel like it's been such a busy month, but also so much fun. So that's just my little update, nothing crazy. I'm excited for tomorrow's pop-up shop, and then I will also be sure to vlog all day tomorrow as well, and everything else that goes on for our Saturday. I can't believe it's already Saturday. But I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I know that recently these have been a little shorter, but honestly every single day is kind of the same, which is totally fine because it's Christmas break. We're all at home spending time with our families, so it's still super fun. So I'm gonna go and start getting ready for bed. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye everyone.